Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a very small and quick video regarding my Zana Top Rack Type 2. Now, if you guys remember, oh wow, I see a puncture. I'll look at it later. So if you guys remember, I had cut this off, long back in the very first version. This crossbar was straight out here. Plate was straight out here, connecting both the left and right side, and the tires, when on double seat and all, it used to touch this part. So to overcome that issue, I had cut it off into two pieces so that the tire can go deep inside. But because of that, I ended up with, in my recent ride, I ended up with this problem. I mean, now when there's load over here, this rod gets pushed further up. As soon as it got pushed up, it twists this part front. I mean, it gets loosened from here and it gets pushed out here. As soon as it gets pushed out here, it damaged my fender over here. So those who all have made these changes, I'm not sure if I had posted this cut-off part past in any of the groups in the past, but if you have seen this and if you have done the similar change to your bikes also, please check if it is damaging. If yes, I ordered a new underplate, the latest one from Zana. I called them up. They charged me some amount and I got it within 4 to 5 days. I'll leave the number of Zana contact person from whom I ordered this spare part. You can show him this video. I'll add some pictures of before and after also, and I'll also add pictures of the product before and after also, like where I've cut it and what's the new part order and what's the change in it. Okay, so you can send it to them and get a new one ordered. Since I was getting this one and my top rack is almost like 1.5 to 2 years old, I ordered a new set of nut bolts also from them, complete set. So I'd be changing. I've yet to get the bike washed and all completely. It's been lying like this since almost 2 months after my Gujarat ride. A lot of things have rusted also. So I'll be changing all the nuts and bolts very soon on this one. So there are many nuts and bolts which have rusted because I kept the bike almost like this for 2 months. So when I change that, I'll be using this set that time on the top rack. For now, I'm going to quickly replace this bottom mount. See, look at the condition. They've got so bad just because I didn't wash the bike and keep. So advice to everyone, always wash your bike and keep after a long ride or after this thing, I mean after heavy rains. So this bottom one, packed one, is the new part obviously, and this one is the old one where it had a flat plate out here, and now Zana has given a curved one, because of which now tires are likely to touch the part less. Now I'll come to know only after I install it and have some load on the bike. By the way, my suspension is on the hardest setting, and still this Michelin Pilot used to touch that part. I used to see tire marks on the plate out here, that was out here. So now and by the way, Zana, I'd like to thank you for sending it in such a nice packing. Although it was just a small part, but it was sent really safe, double packed. Even the courier box had double box along with these, so it has come absolutely scratch proof. You can see this also has a good packing. So a big thumbs up for this quality. So I finished installing the base mount first, the cross support. I get to put the bolts out here. But if you can see, the fitting now is so nice that this is so close to the top mudguard that I don't think so the tire will touch this part, because it's quite inside, I mean it's quite top. Earlier one was almost like an inch down. If you see, it was almost not an inch maybe, but a quarter of an inch. There was that much space out here, 3/4. So that space has reduced. Now let me finally put the 2 bolts over here too. The installation is complete now. You can see there's enough space left between the bracket and the nut now. Both the sides, it's back to original setting and safe now. So if you guys have any questions regarding this, please put it in the comments and I'll try to answer them at the earliest as usual. If you're watching this on my channel for the first time, please do hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon so that you get all the updates from me. Thanks for watching. This is Dipen from Pune.